Welcome back, folks, into part 3 in the tour through Dedemsvaart. The only thing I can say now is if you haven't watched episode 1 and 2, well, make sure you do. Then you'll understand how we even got here. Let's just continue where we ended episode 2. This is where we ended last time. About to leave the road behind us to enter the Municipal Park. Finally, some nature. Let's start things slowly by just enjoying nature. Going deeper in the park, we get to a field on our left side. It may be difficult to see, but there's a goal right here. This field can be used as a football field. How nice! And I'll surprise you here. We will go straight through this field. And there is the other goal. It looks like we're heading to the bush here. But trust me, there's a path right there in the shadows. Yeah, we're going on there. To our right are allotments, as they are known in the UK at least, known as community gardens in North America. In Dutch, we just call them volkstuinen. Also right to us, a building shows up. That is the building of the local scouting club. From a narrow path to an open part of the park. I think it's quite beautiful. So much nature in this video already. But don't worry, we're nearing the end of the part in the park. Turn left here, and then we'll teleport some meters forward, and we go to the right around the corner there. And it totally feels different. But trust me, we just went around the corner. Anyway, here's the town's tennis club, and they have a cool mural here. No, turn back to mural, please. There, I like it. Yeah, I heard your little truck. Anyway, we arrived at the Municipal, which, if you go to the right here and follow it, will lead you to the town center and eventually to the Hoofdvaart, which we passed directly at the start last episode. And yes, this is the Dedemsvaart canal again. And this bridge is a very old swing bridge. It could open back in the day, but not anymore. And now we follow the Dedemsvaart for a small park. Here you have a good look at the old iron swing bridge, of course used when the canal was navigable by boat. A bit further on the other side there's this big fancy building. This is the former town hall or municipal hall before merging with other municipalities in 2001. It's located right in front of the park we were just in. Nowadays it is used as a guitar shop combined with a music school, and a small theater is also inside. Surprise! We turn left on this brand new path. Or at least brand new as in opened within the last 2 years. Same goes for those houses we just passed. They're all relatively new. The interesting thing is, everything from now until the end of the video was just like a field, like 5 years ago. Every path, street, house, playground, all of it was just built in only the last 5 years. End of the path. The path slowly transforms into a playground. If I would walk straight to the street in front of me, I would end up in a hedgerow, which I think is not very pleasant. So I curve a bit around the playground to get to the exit and enter the brand new neighborhood called Bransveen. And there's the exit. Directly there's a speed bump, making it safer to cross the street. And then we enter a path which goes straight through Bransveen. Well, not really straight, curves a bit, but overall it goes pretty much straight through the neighborhood. And there's the next street, or actually two streets with greenery and another playground in the middle. But wait, why is the grassy part in the middle, including playground, lowered in comparison to the streets? Well, that is a wadi. What the is a wadi, you say? Well, it is designed to collect and keep water when there's heavy rain. And no kid is going to play at a playground when there's heavy rain, so why not put a playground just in there? Jumping some time ahead, and there's another lowered grass field or wadi with a playground, but also there's no path after, just field. So we'll jump to the pavement and turn right. End of the pavement. Literally, the only part this tour I am a bit disappointed about. But at least the street is safe enough to walk over, so we'll do that. now we go left to find ourselves at the end of part 3. Yes, it's true. Only one part left. We'll finish up next episode and please let the feedback flow. Whoa, what a tongue breaker. I just really want to know whether the series is really getting appreciation so I can really move on with this. So please let it know and I'll round it up here and I'll see you the next time. Bye.